Hi, this is Kim Pestana and thank you for watching my video. I'm going to show you how to write a macro in Excel. I'm just going to show you the code portion of it in this video, and in another video I will be doing more of the drag and drop tools. Anyway, we have two files in front of us, and one says testexcel.xls and the other says testexcel.xlsm. The difference is the .xls, the top file, is always used for the Excel 2003 or earlier versions. The file below it, the .xlsm, is used for Microsoft Office Excel 2007 and 2010. The .xlsm stands for Microsoft Excel Macro Enabled Worksheet or Excel Macro Enabled Worksheet. I'm going to open this up. And as you see, a pop-up window comes up and it says, "Welcome to Virus Land." Mwahaha. Basically, this is an idea of what's called an ActiveX control that you can write using the VB Visual Basic editor that's provided with Office. A lot of times when you first open these files, you will get a security warning right at the top here in an orange box. It actually is an orange line across the top of the program, like a yellowish orange color, and it'll ask you, it'll say security warning, do you want to enable the contents of this, and then it will say more about ActiveX controls or something to that effect. You get my my drift here. And of course, if you wrote the macros in the program, you're going to click enable content, but this one's already enabled, so we don't have to worry about it. And even though that you save it as a, let me show you how I saved it here. Oh, I have to click this. You can save it as, and right here is where I selected from Excel Workbook the XLSX to Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, the .xlsm. I really don't know. I guess the difference is just maybe there's some more security functions in here. But it still asks you that question when you open up the file. Like, let's say you copied it to a new computer or you sent it to somebody. It will still ask them that question the first time they open the file. Okay, so this is another button that was also used when I wrote with a macro. And I'm trying to get this without having to do too many takes, so bear with me. The website status here is just the legend that I wrote, and as you see in each line it has definitions. So you have blank equals, we currently own the site, there's no issue, and then in the next line you see miss, that stands for misspellings, and so forth. This I did for a project, but I wanted to show you how to write the macro for the button. Now, where your macros are kept, you click on the View tab, and this right here, this long bit 1 inch wide space is called your ribbon. The ribbon is where you have a lot of your different things that you can do. Instead of using the drop down commands, like well, it has it here, but you notice like you don't have home and then all the drop down commands here. Instead, they're all on the ribbon. They're just trying to make it more user friendly, but of course there is a transition when you change from Excel 2003 to either 2007 or 2010. So we're going to click on the macros button right here, and we're going to bring up this dialog box, and it shows the macro name. This auto open is basically just the default procedure name. I did not change the name, but I just wanted to let you know that. I'm going to edit it, and now right here you have the pop-up button, the pop-up window that comes up that says "Welcome to Virus Land" and that crazy laugh, and then you have the button here. Let's start with the window. You see sub here and end sub. The sub stands for subroutine. You're actually programming when you do this, even though it's only one routine or one function. But this is you know, a way to understand how programming works. And programming is a language, and like any language, you know, there are certain things that mean something, but yet you can make it, you know, you can change it. Like I can change this from "Welcome to Virus Land" to "Hello, how are you?" or "Please close this file when you're done." Right here is your MSG-VOX for the message box. That's any pop-up window that comes up. And as you notice, even the legend button, when we click it, even though it's a button that we're clicking, and it's not opening up on us, it's still creating a message box that has the information. You will always be typing your information by using quotes. So right here I typed in with the quotes, "Welcome to Virus Land," and I ended the quotes. And that's all it takes for that one. Now the code here for the message button, I show the website status, and then I have to add and VBLF and. This means Visual Basic Line Forward. So that's going to take the blank and put it on the next line. It's going to forward it to the next line. So that's just what that means. And once you know what that means, you'll remember how to use it, hopefully. I guess, what do they say? Use it or lose it. So anyway, this is basically how you create the code for the button too. And you don't really go to the next line here. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm sure you can. There's a way, but I just write it all the way across. It's not an issue. So that's it. I'm going to save this, and I can go back to Excel and close right out of the macro section. Or can I? No, I have to close it out with the X. So, and that's all. Just to show you, there's a legend button again, and I can even take the macro. I can run it, and there's the button, the pop-up window that comes up as well. Well, thank you for listening, and have a great day. Bye now.